Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming ownership and gathering credentials so you stay within legal bounds. Once done, sign into the Apple ID tied to the backup and verify iCloud options. Make sure to check Mac OS Keychain Access or Windows Credential Manager for any stored backup passwords. These can save time without bypassing security. You're establishing legitimate recovery options first, because trying to force or guess passwords risks data loss and violates terms. Next, focus on the official recovery paths that Apple provides. You should check iCloud backups and any recent unencrypted local backups first, because restoring from those avoids password issues. If your Apple ID credentials are missing, start Apple's account recovery process and follow each verification step. This is why prior proof of ownership matters. Once you can access the account, export needed data, or restore a backup. These steps protect both your data and legal. Finally, if official recovery still won't work, contact Apple support directly and present proof of purchase and the device serial number so they can advise next steps. If you absolutely need data recovery, use a reputable professional service that documents chain of custody and avoids illicit methods. Make sure to set up robust backup practices afterward, enable iCloud, or securely store backup passwords, because prevention is always easier than recovery. If something goes wrong, ask Apple for escalation before trying risky tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.